We're looking at Krea to drawing to image on Floyo. So this is a workflow that takes a rough sketch or a simple line drawing and turns it into a finished photorealistic image while keeping every object exactly where you put it. This workflow runs on Krea 2 Turbo, and it also uses LoRA, that is the Krea 2 Identity Edit LoRA. That LoRA is the part that reads your drawing and follows your written instructions without moving the layout around. So now let's have a look at the workflow. So this is basically how the workflow looks. In this, you'll be just playing around with these two nodes, the load image node and the Krea to edit node. So in this load image node, you will be uploading your input image, that is the drawing or the rough sketch of the image which you want to create in the output, and keep the inputs close to 1 megapixel so that they work best. And in this node, the Krea to edit node, this is basically where you give your instructions and write your instructions in just plain English describing what you want to get out of your drawing in the output. And just moving on to these two steps, you can just keep every setting as default only, as these works best, and these are kind of the sweet spot with which the model performs very well. And if you want to tweak some kind of settings, so here is a detailed description written as to how you can tweak the settings to get your outputs as you desire. And this is basically the save node where you get your final output. And as you can see, I have described in my instructions to create a cozy modern living room, and I've given the rough sketch as to what all is needed: a large vase of flowers, a blue toy robot, and in the output also you can see you're getting the same thing: the blue toy robot and the flower vase and the windows and everything. So again, we're looking at Krea to drawing to image on Floyo. There are many other verified to run workflows on our platform Floyo. You can just go and check them out.